My name is Cynthia Rowland, and I am 38 years old. I was driving home from work with my 3-year-old son in a car, and out of nowhere, a lady broadsided us. I was 38 weeks pregnant at the time, and I luckily had a healthy baby boy a week later.
When I first got a chance to meet Cynthia, she had given birth to her beautiful baby, and she was having significant neck discomfort, arm discomfort, headaches, and difficulty turning her neck.
I thought after being pregnant, my body would adjust from the accident, and when I realized after a couple months that I was in a lot of pain constantly every day, I had numbness and tingling in my arms. Every time I walked, I had pain and I limped, and I was pretty miserable. And when I realized after a couple months that I was in a lot of pain constantly every day, I reached out for help to see what was wrong with me. I didn't go anywhere else before. I went straight to Premier Orthopedics. They were the first recommendation from my lawyer. I absolutely would recommend Dr. Shah. He was professional, considerate, always asking questions, making sure everything was okay, if I had any problems, and really made himself readily available. He was very personable, very friendly, very nice. You can tell that he really cares about his patients. Before I had the surgery, he came in and talked to me, made sure that we were okay with everything, made sure I was comfortable.
Came to the conclusion that her problem was primarily coming from her spinal cord and her nerves being squashed, and that was giving her pain. And we needed to talk about what we can do to get that better. Certainly living with it wasn't an option, and all the other non-operative things weren't options as they weren't lasting. So we talked about surgery.
I was definitely afraid to have surgery. To have something major as someone cutting into your neck is extremely scary, especially being a mom to young kids. But speaking to Dr. Shah beforehand definitely soothed my nerves. And after the surgery, seeing the results, every bit of it was worth it, and I would do it again. I am enjoying life with my young kids, and I'm so thankful for that. Recently, we took our annual vacation to Cape May, to the beach. We spent a week down there, and the kids love digging, playing in the sand. They love jumping in the waves. And a couple years ago, that's not possible. Now, run, jump, and play with them, and we had a blast.